What if I told you your bank is probably underpaying you right now? While some people in the UAE are earning up to 6.25% on their savings and even getting extra cash bonuses just for opening an account. Yeah, most people have no idea this exists. Today I'm going to show you exactly how this works. It is called the Mashreq NEO PLUS Saver account. And honestly, it is one of the highest paying savings accounts in the UAE right now. Here's the deal. If you transfer a salary of at least 10,000 AED, you can earn up to 6.25% interest per year. If you do not transfer your salary, you can still earn up to 5% per year just by keeping 50,000 dirhams in your account. No complicated steps, no monthly fees. Interest applies up to 500,000 dirhams, and you can withdraw money twice per month without losing your earnings. So your money is not just sitting there doing nothing anymore. It is actually growing every single day. So you are literally getting paid to start saving, but make sure you check the latest conditions before you apply. And if you want more videos like this, do not forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, are you still leaving your money in a low interest account or not?